Hey everybody, for those of you that have struggled with disconnecting the wiring harnesses from the Chevy transmissions, 4L60E, 4L80E, any of those that use this type of gear selector, you know that the wiring is always stuck in here, and a lot of people break these off trying to get them out. They'll break this selector trying to get the wiring unhooked, or they'll just cut the wiring if they're pulling the transmission out. Let me show you the right way to do this. These are actually got some kind of adhesive on them. They're glued, almost glued in. I'm going to say they are glued in. And I don't know if that's for moisture protection or to keep them from coming unhooked. I don't know which. Anyways, let me show you how to fix that. Now I've had these out before, so they're not stuck in there real bad, but I just grabbed one of these heat guns. I think I bought this one at Real King. They're real cheap. It works pretty decent. And you just heat that glue up. Hot. There. And that is the cheapest, easiest, quickest way to get these unhooked.